What's up guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and Fujifilm sent us something really cool to play with. This is the X-T3, their newest camera, and let's take it out of the box. So this has never been opened before. The lid, you can see we have some documentation, manuals, we don't need that. So this is actually my first time actually using a Fujifilm camera. I'm more of a Canon and Sony man, so to speak. The body itself, secondary box here, and inside, I think this is flash, strap. We got the charger. Yeah, charger, wall charger. No cable, it just plugs straight into the wall. And of course, the battery. So we have the camera itself here. I've never held a Fujifilm camera before. The person who usually handles Fuji products is Ali, our video editor. So in classic Fuji style, we have a body that's very reminiscent of an old film camera. You have like these dials, dedicated dials for shutter speed, exposure, and I think this is ISO. On the lens, of course, you have the manual aperture control. So what Fuji is highlighting with this camera is like improved video and autofocus capabilities. It has 4K at 60 FPS, and they say it has the fastest autofocus ever on a Fujifilm camera. So we're gonna be testing this out over the weekend. Let's actually put the lens on here. So here they gave us this 23mm prime lens. Yeah, we should be able to take some creamy bokeh shots with that f1.4 aperture. Yeah, that's what it looks like with the lens on. And let's just plop in the battery real quick. And yeah, here's the setup. And yeah, we don't have a memory card right now, but there you have it, guys. Aside from the dials, we do get a flip screen that flips out like this and like this. You can't really use it for vlogging, so this should be useful for like top-down shots or maybe like this, but you can't really vlog with it. But what I do really like is there's an EVF here. I believe this is OLED. It's very crisp. So yeah, we're gonna be releasing a hands-on and first shots on our website, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.